Carbonyl compounds functional group test. Carbonyl compounds functional group test. What are the carbonyl compounds? Aldehydes or and ketones. These are carbonyl compounds functional group test. 2,4 DNP test. The first test is 2,4 DNP. What is the 2,4 DNP? 2,4 dinitrophenylhydrazine. 2,4 dinitrophenylhydrazine. You can see the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2,4 dinitrophenylhydrazine. It is reacting with aldehyde or ketones. It is react with aldehyde or ketones. That means carbonyl compound producing a orange PPT. Orange PPT is giving. So if it is giving, then we can confirm that the given compound is either it may be aldehyde or it may be ketone. Okay, if it is giving, then after giving this test, so which is it aldehyde or ketone? Then again next question is it aldehyde or ketone? For that further confirmation, we can do some functional group test. Again, aldehyde functional group test. See here, the first one is, yes, you can see here, Tollens test. The Tollens test is given by only aldehydes. First of all, what is the Tollens? It oxidizes aldehydes. Tollens reagent is ammonical silver nitrate solution. Ammonical silver nitrate solution. See, silver nitrate, you know that AgNO3 we are taking, as well ammonical means ammonia, however that is NH3 gas. So wherever you required NH3, we are taking the NH3 place, we are taking ammonium hydroxide, because NH3 reaction with water or combined with water is giving ammonium hydroxide. So ammonical silver nitrate, the silver nitrate is dissolved in the ammonium hydroxide, that is known as ammonical silver nitrate solution. It is known as Tollens test, Tollens reagent. It is known as Tollens reagent. This ammonical silver nitrate is forming a complex. This is the complex. It is react with aldehydes and giving a carboxylic acid and silver. Carboxylic acid and silver. So the silver is, you know, the silver color. That's why this reaction name is silver mirror test also. This is known as silver mirror test. If you take the test tube, inside the test tube a layer is forming. One layer is forming, that is white, just silver type. Okay, silver only, that is nothing but silver only, because see, whatever silver is there, the silver getting precipitation on the container wall. Okay, this reaction is also known as silver mirror test or Tollens test. It is given by only aldehydes, right? Now the aldehyde is getting oxidation, that's why it comes under oxidation reactions. The aldehyde undergoing oxidation and this silver is getting reduction. Silver pyrethra Ag plus is coming into Ag. So silver is reduced. That's why here aldehyde is reducing character. Aldehyde is reducing agent. We can say here this aldehyde is a reducing agent, itself undergoing oxidation. Right? Ketones are not giving test. Ketones are not giving test. Right? Not giving test. Next, failing. Same. Failing also given by only aldehydes. Only aldehydes. C double bond OH. This one also only aldehydes giving positive test. Now, failing, it is a mixture of copper sulfate and sodium hydroxide and sodium potassium tartarate. Sodium potassium tartarate. Here two things are there, failing A and failing B. Two solutions are there. Failing A means solution of copper sulfate. failing B means Rocelli salt is the common name. Rocelli salt is the common name. Otherwise, sodium potassium tartarate. Also, we can call this sodium potassium tartarate. Okay, we are taking with NaOH, that is failing B. Failing A and failing B, both solutions we are adding in the appropriate quantity. Then this copper plus 2, in the copper sulfate, copper plus 2 is getting reduction copper plus 2 to copper plus 1 and giving a red color precipitation because of cuprous oxide. Cuprous oxide is a very important in the competitive exams. The question in the last JEE question, they asked that failing test, in the failing test red color is due to, the options are like this: copper plus and copper plus 2 and copper cuprous oxide and copper oxide. Okay, multiple answers. So here copper plus and cuprous oxide, these both are answers, you can write it. Okay, next. So in the failing A and B is there. So the copper sulfate, copper plus 2 is converting into copper plus. Due to this, it is looks like red precipitation. Next, Benedict solution. This is also similar. It is a mixture of copper sulfate and sodium citrate. This is only the difference main here. There sodium potassium tartarate, here citrate. You can see here sodium potassium tartarate, here sodium citrate we are using. Copper sulfate though in both same. Next, sodium carbonate, it provides copper plus 2. It is reduced by aldehyde to give red precipitation of cuprous oxide. Reason is the same. Okay, reactant में कुछ smaller variation is there. There tartarate we are taking, here citrate we are taking. This is a Benedict's solution. It is also given by only aldehydes. Okay, what is the color? Red precipitation. Next, mercuric chloride test. This mercuric chloride is a corrosive sublimate. It is reduced by aldehyde to give white precipitate of mercurous chloride, mercurous Hg plus. That means Hg2Cl2. This is the mercurous chloride. They are also known as calomel. This is also known as calomel, which further react with aldehyde to give black precipitate of mercury. See here in the first step, the mercury chloride is forming mercurous chloride. In the first step also, the aldehyde is oxidized to carboxylic acid. Next, this calomel again oxidizing this one more aldehyde into carboxylic acid. Finally, the mercury Hg, mercuric plus 2 is converting into mercurous, then furtherly reduced to mercury. This mercury is giving black precipitation. So this is also one of the confirmation test by aldehyde. Is only given by aldehyde. Next, reaction with the Skiff's test. It is also given by only aldehyde. Skiff's reagent is diluted solution of para-rosanilene hydrochloride or magenta dye. Its pink color is discharged by passing sulfur dioxide gas, and the colorless solution is called Skiff's reagent. Aldehydes reacts with this reagent to restore the pink color. So Skiff's reagent, the color is colorless initially. After adding to aldehydes, then it turns to pink color. Okay. Now next, these are the aldehydes conformation test. Suppose aldehyde and ketone is there. A test for formaldehyde, acetaldehyde and ketone. The question number 1, sorry, test number 1, Legel's test. Legel's test, sodium nitroprusside. Sodium nitroprusside test. It is similar to iodoform test. The next we can discuss that one also. It is given by methyl ketones. Methyl C double bond O. The structure is CH3 C double bond O group is there. Then those will give. Okay. Now aldehyde में भी वो group है. That's why it is giving. Ketone also giving. But formaldehyde it's not giving. That's why we can distinguish first of all formaldehyde. As well, the second iodoform test. Similarly, same iodoform test में reagent is iodine plus NaOH. Iodine plus NaOH. Sometime you may find that NaOI. This is also. Because these both are same only. Reaction with iodine reaction with this sodium hydroxide is forming NaOI. Now, this formaldehyde not giving test. For this iodoform test also similar same methyl ketones or methyl aldehydes are required. As well, this iodoform test is given by these compounds also, methyl alcohols also. Okay, so in the second position means two alls also, alcohols also giving. Now acetaldehyde is giving yellow precipitate, ketone also giving yellow precipitate. Next pyrogallol. Okay, OH groups, 3 OH groups are there on the benzene. It's given by only formaldehyde. Pyrogallol is giving test with formaldehyde. So easily we can distinguish formaldehyde and acetaldehyde like that. Then orthonitrophenaldehyde given by only ketones. वो कीटोन कंफर्मेशन टेस्ट है. orthonitrophenaldehyde is giving blue color. Then Tollens test just now we discussed is given by aldehyde, silver mirror it is not giving. Sorry, formaldehyde is giving, acetaldehyde is giving, ketones are not giving. Failing test is red color is giving, formaldehyde, even acetaldehyde is giving, but ketone is not giving. Then mercury chloride test, formaldehyde, acetaldehyde is giving, but ketone is not giving. Skiff's test, pink color is giving by formaldehyde and acetaldehyde, but ketone is not giving. Then 2,4-DNP तो सब देते हैं क्योंकि वो कार्बोनाइल फंक्शनल ग्रुप टेस्ट था. ऑरेंज कलर इज गिवन बाय ऑल दीज 3. Then yes, how can you distinguish these tests? Acetaldehyde and propanaldehyde. How can you distinguish? So this test, these two compounds we can distinguish by iodoform test. iodoform test में क्या है? CH3 C double bond वो group चाहिए. CH3 C double bond वो group. Yes, here it is there. Alpha position methyl group should be present. Yes, here alpha position में methyl group नहीं है, so it is not given. Then next, acetone and pentanone, pentane threone. How can you distinguish? Here also again answer is iodoform test. Okay, so this iodoform test, iodoform के लिए क्या चाहिए? This position में methyl, alpha position में methyl group चाहिए. Here there is no methyl, that's why it is not giving, it is giving. So like this you can confirm that function.